Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about soda acid type fire extinguisher and how to prepare its model. This is the picture of soda acid type fire extinguisher. Now, we will see how it works. A soda acid type fire extinguisher contains a solution of sodium hydrogen carbonate and sulfuric acid in the two separate chambers inside it. When this knob of the fire extinguisher is pressed, then the sulfuric acid mixes with the sodium hydrogen carbonate solution and produces carbon dioxide gas, which forms a blanket around a burning substance and cut off the supply of air to the burning substance. And this is the way we can stop the fire. Now, this is how we can write the chemical reaction. In the reactant side, we have the solution of sodium hydrogen carbonate and sulfuric acid, and with the reaction of both these reagents, the products are sodium sulfate, H2O, that is water, and carbon dioxide gas. Carbon dioxide is a non-supporter of combustion and heavier than air. That's why it covers the burning substance and cut off the supply of air and extinguishes the fire. Now, to prepare the soda acid fire extinguisher, these are the materials which we require: sodium hydrogen carbonate solution, dilute sulfuric acid solution, ignition or fusion tube, wash bottle, and a thread. So, here the picture of our model. This is the wash bottle in which we are taking sodium hydrogen carbonate solution around 50 to 100 ml, and an ignition tube is there in which we have taken dilute sulfuric acid. This ignition tube is hang or suspended in the wash bottle as shown in the figure with the help of the thread. Now close the mouth of the wash bottle. Let the acid from the ignition tube react with the sodium bicarbonate solution by leaving the thread of the ignition tube or by tilting the bottle. When the both mixtures are mixing together, the carbon dioxide gas will come out with the pressure from the nozzle, which can be used for extinguishing fire by directing it towards the burning substance. This type of fire extinguisher has some certain limitations. This fire extinguisher cannot be used in the oil and the petrol catching fire, as oil will keep on floating over water and will keep on burning. It cannot be used in the electric fires, and it cannot be used in the case of sodium metal catching fire. Hope you understand the concept of acid fire extinguisher. Thank you for the watching.